Hello everyone, welcome back to Saira Says. Today I'm here to share about this incredible Prisma in Kaleva Tampere, Finland, just after the Hakamista tram stop. This Prisma is a large standalone store offering an amazing variety of the products, but what makes it even more special is the entire building also features some other shops and restaurants. On the upper floor, you will also find stores like Power and XXL. In this video, I'm going to walk through some of these corners of the Prisma and share my experience with you all. मेनली वी केम हेयर फॉर सम पर्सनल एरेंड्स, लेकिन वो शॉप 10 बजे खुलनी थी, सो हम तकरीबन 9 या 9:30 बजे पहुंच गए थे, तो हमारे पास थोड़ा वक्त था. सो वी डिसाइडेड टू स्टेप इनटू प्रिज्मा स्टोर इटसेल्फ, विच एज यू नो इज़ ऑलवेज ओपन फॉर 24 आवर्स. सो सबसे पहले हमने कॉफ़ी ली, बिकॉज आफ्टर वेकिंग अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग अ कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी इज़ एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वी नीडेड टू रिफ्रेश आवरसेल्फ. इट्स द परफेक्ट मॉर्निंग बूस्ट दैट रियली वेक्स यू अप. There was also a sitting area, but we decided not to sit because we wanted to explore around the store, ताकि मैं आप सबके साथ ये सब कुछ शेयर कर सकूं. There were also a variety of other food items available with fresh selections like bread and so much more. We could see a huge variety of the breads. I think it's only in the Finland that you get to see these long racks just brimming with the bread varieties. And now we come to the most beloved section among the women, I think the girls' favorite. Here we can see a long rack filled with a huge variety of the skincare products, makeup and so much more. There was just an incredible section of the skincare. One thing that grabbed my attention was this lip smacker by Coca-Cola. I'm not sure, but it seems like it might give Coca-Cola flavor when you apply it to your lips, maybe. And here comes the makeup section. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे brands मौजूद थे, जैसे कि Lumine, L'Oreal, Maybelline, Essence, Revolution and many more. There were just so many makeup products, and while I'm not an expert in the makeup, I was really drawn to the wide variety. Even though I'm still learning how to choose the right product, I can show you what I found. मैंने यहाँ पे नोट किया कि जो Essence है, that was more budget friendly and a bit more economical compared to the others. Some of the other products felt a bit expensive, maybe just because वो मेरी usual budget में से थोड़ा बाहर थे, but both Revolution and Essence stood out as the most affordable options, especially when compared to the Lumine. मैं खास तौर पर एक मस्कारा ही ढूंढ रही थी, सो आई पेड अ क्लोज अटेंशन टू दैट सेक्शन. As I mentioned, the Essence product were really budget friendly. When I was looking at the mascara, there were so many options, but I found one that was around €2.50, so I picked that up. मैंने यहाँ पर कुछ आइटम्स देखे थे जो सेल पर भी थे. I was just browsing through everything, just trying to figure out what might be a good option for me. Some products I honestly didn't fully understand. Like I wasn't sure what was their purpose, या इनको किस तरह से इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है. I'm not really a huge makeup enthusiast, so I just stick to the basics. एक चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी वो ये Sunset Blush by Revolution था. It was a beautiful double tone blush and I really liked it, so I picked that up as well. I spotted the Maybelline area again because it's a familiar brand जो कि हम अक्सर like अपने home countries में भी देखते रहते हैं. As I passed by, I checked the prices along with the Lumine brand, which is also very well known. Though the prices were quite high. So जैसे ही मैं आगे चलती जा रही थी, I realized the store really offers such a wide variety of everything. If you ever need something, you just come to Prisma and you can find it here. Though I will say the prices, especially for the clothing and the shoes and some of the products like this, are often on the higher side, but I always gravitate towards the items on the sale. Sometimes you really find amazing prices here. Like on the previous visit, I got a whole rack of clothes for just between 2 and 10 euros, and I had a great shopping haul for my daughter. After leaving the women's favorite section, I came across the children's favorite area and there was a large variety, just so many racks filled with the children's toys as well. अगर आप फिनलैंड में नए नए आ रहे हैं और आपको अपनी जेब खाली करनी है तो आप बच्चों को लेकर यहाँ आ जाएं, क्योंकि यहाँ पर वो हर चीज़ खरीदना चाहेंगे and they will absolutely fall in love with everything because the quality and variety of the toys here are just truly exceptional. Then as I was about to head out of the store, वापस आते हुए मैं क्रॉकरी सेक्शन से गुजरी, बट मैं सब कुछ तो नहीं दिखा सकी. But I have to say the crockery at the Prisma is a bit on the pricey side again. Still, it's incredibly unique and the quality is just outstanding. And while leaving this section, I came across some Easter decoration as it is just around the corner. And यहाँ पर दोबारा items वो सेल पर लगे हुए थे और हमेशा की तरह there was a huge variety. एंड आई ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड टू शो यू द कैंडी सेक्शन बिकॉज आई थिंक ये फिनलैंड में ही होता है कि यहाँ पर कैंडीज़ के अलग अलग पूरे इतने लंबे सेक्शंस होते हैं, पूरे रैक्स होते हैं. बट सिंस द स्टोर इज सो लार्ज, दैट सेक्शन वॉज क्वाइट फार, सो आई डिसाइडेड टू लीव इट फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम. We checked out paying for the items that I bought, जो कि सिर्फ एक मस्कारा और ब्लश ऑन ही था. After that, as we left, I saw a big line for coffee because Finns just love coffee. They don't even count how many cups they have taken in a day. It's just their absolute favorite drink. As we wrapped up, I just wanted to show you again the S-Punky branch here. अगर आप फिनलैंड में नए हैं तो DVV रजिस्ट्रेशन और पुलिस कार्ड के बाद आप यहाँ आकर अपना बैंक अकाउंट खुलवा सकते हैं राइट नेक्स्ट टू द फ्लावर शॉप. दिस इज़ S-Punky. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more. See you next time.